Hi, it's Mark here at jobbersinc.com in Philadelphia. That's jobbersinc.com. Here we have an International Harvester UV549 complete engine assembly. There's only 411 original hours on this. This is off a generator set. This can be used in a nursing home, a facility, surgery center. It can be also used in an antique fire truck restoration that uses an International truck or another rare specialty application. Again, there's only 411 original hours since new. We have this unit in stock with a gasoline carburetor as well. 215-236-8500 or jobbersinc.com. Thank you for watching.